Today we have a 2016 DMG Mori EcoTurn 450 with the DMG Mori Slimline control. The machine has a Royal 3J collet closer, tailstock, and a chip conveyor with a tool eye. Spindle's currently running at 500. 1,000 RPM. $2,000. 2,800. 'It's a 12-station turret. The tool holders that are mounted to the machine will go with it. Now the Z-axis, X, tailstock, all right. Once again, this is a 2016 machine. It can be inspected under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thanks for watching.